Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about some skincare and body care empties which I generally tend to repeat purchase all the time, and there are also some products which I did not buy after using first time. You can also call it kind of a product review kind of vlog. Here is the basket full of the empties like skincare, body care empties, also some fragrances I can see, and a few makeup maybe. Let's see what is inside. Okay, starting with my sunscreen. This is minimalist sunscreen. Can't even tell you how many bottles I have emptied of this one. This is my most favorite sunscreen and I have been using it like for years. It sits under makeup very well and I have sensitive skin type, and it doesn't irritate my skin, and it's non-sticky, doesn't give me any kind of weird white cast. So this is I am purchasing all the time. Okay, next I have this Juicy Chemistry rose water, and this rose water is my toner. I use this one as a toner all the time, and I am telling you this works to soothe my skin, hydrate my skin. And as I said that I have sensitive skin type, I don't much experiment with my toner generally. For recent times I generally don't experiment with toners, and this suits me well, so this is also my repeat purchase. And also I'm telling you, it is helpful to hydrate your skin if you are wearing light makeup and it is summer, hot outside, and you want to refresh your skin. You can spray it over a little bit. Caffeine blueberry swirl serum body lotion, and you have seen it in my many vlogs where I am doing any body care or kind of skincare routine. I love this one for its non-stickiness, and it has a very nice smell also. So this is my go-to. Okay, here comes another sunscreen, and it is Dermaco Hyaluronic Sunscreen Stick. And this is so convenient to use. This amount is still left, so it is completely non-sticky, and when you are traveling, I'm telling you, you can just apply all over your face, even over the makeup. I mean, while you are traveling, of course you are not wearing full face of foundation, so if you are wearing like a little bit concealer and tint and all that, you can easily apply this sunscreen over that amount of makeup. And it is meant for easy reapplication, at it is written, not for general application. But I am a lazy girl, I have applied it multiple times as my sunscreen, I mean my main sunscreen after my morning skincare routine, especially while traveling. Definitely works. Here comes the most purchased serum, face serum. It is minimalist hyaluronic acid face serum. I'm telling you, it is one of my most purchased face serum. It hydrates my skin, it gives a kind of nice glow, a moisturization kind of feel. If your skin is kind of dry or your skin needs a kind of hydration or moisture, you should try this one. Go with a patch test first before applying at first. This is a nice face serum and I definitely recommend this one. Okay, next comes my blueberry Caffeine blueberry body scrub, and I use this body scrub all the time, at least once a week, and it doesn't scratches my skin because the granules are there, but not scratchy kind of granules. So I just love this one. I don't like very scratchy kind of granules of body scrub or face scrub. So this is a perfect body scrub if you want a non-irritating body scrub, and it helps to remove the tan, also exfoliates my skin, and it smells divine, I'm telling you, just like the body lotion of this range, blueberry breeze, blueberry swirl, maybe same range. But what I am saying is the smell of the whole range is so good. Okay, here comes my most used hand cream, and I use this hand cream all the time. Like, I have it in my car, in my purse, in my gym bag, on my center table while I am having coffee. If I need to moisturize my skin while watching my show or anything, I need this hand cream everywhere. So, and this smells especially strawberry and vanilla. This is a hand and nail cream, and it perfectly moisturizes my nails and hands and gives a nice fragrance. So uh, I just love this one. Okay, here is a body mist from the Bath and Body Works. The smell is into the night and it is such a nice smell, I'm telling you. Still some amount is left. It is perfect for night time or evening time, and when you are going to some party or event, want to smell good, and you can easily pair with any evening fragrances of EDT or EDP with this one. And it is definitely a strong fragrance, but it doesn't give me headache, so that's why I love this one, because I generally don't like strong fragrances in any fragrance. I mean, in mist, in EDT, I always lean towards like soft fragrance. This is one of my favorites for this purpose, because I just love it for its unique fragrance. This is my second bottle. Next comes Under Eye Cream from Laneige, and this is a hydrating and moisturizing under eye cream, and it is definitely worth the money, I'm telling you, because I don't know if you will be able to see from this amount, but still I think you will be able to understand. See how gel based kind of the under eye cream is, and it is very smooth, like wherever you are applying, it is giving kind of a smooth finish on your skin. Okay, and the texture is so nice, and if you are wearing concealer, under eye concealer over it, it doesn't creases, it looks very smooth and photo friendly, and it definitely hydrates the under eye area, and it does the job, I mean, as a skincare product. And that's why it is my favorite one. I am going through the third or fourth bottle. It's the moisturizer from the Clinique 100 Age Moisture Surge Moisturizer. It is also a gel based moisturizer, and it is also very smooth on the skin. It is non-sticky, so perfect for daytime wear, or even you can wear in hot summer days without like melting. Okay, so that's why I love this one. I wear it in the daytime, on the night time, or I just love this one. I have seen that this is the only moisturizer I always come back to it. Whatever I try, I always come back to this one. This is a wonder product from Estee Lauder. It is Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is ANR, and you have heard about it, I know, and it is really worth the hype. It has transformed my skin. Like if you have any dullness, dryness, if you use it regularly, you will see the differences. Like I have seen the differences like within months, so I tend to buy it all the time, and I get back to this one all the time whenever I am traveling, or I need a kind of extra glow, hydration, any kind of extra care I need, I just reach out for this one, and this little beauty does the job. Is a nail and cuticle oil. I am telling you, if you start using it, you will never be able to, I mean, leave it behind. Okay, because it is very cheap or affordable, and it works wonderfully. Like if you do your nails like acrylic nails or gel nails, whatever, you need this, and this is so good. It hydrates the cuticle overnight, and if you use it like once a day, even it works. And so travel friendly and easy to use, because it comes like in a roller bottle, so no chance of leaking. It is one of the things I have purchased many times, and I will be purchasing it. I have only one makeup empties in this vlog, and this is the Maybelline Age Ruined Concealer, and this is the shade R120. I am in the shade R120. This concealer is really worth the hype, because it is so good. You can literally work with fingers, brush, or sponge, whatever you want to, and it is so lightweight. It is not thick or heavy. It doesn't give heavy coverage, but it is nice for everyday wear, like if you are going to gym, office, school, or college, wherever, or for work. One of the best drugstore concealer I own. This is a Juicy Chemistry aloe vera gel. It is one of the aloe vera gels I own. I love aloe vera gels, but I don't much love this one, because I don't know why. It is good, but it is not that good. It hydrates my skin, but it is not that hydrating. Okay. Initially, you will feel hydration and all the moisture, but on my skin, personally, what I have seen, that the moisture is not that kind of moisture you generally get from the Body Shop aloe vera gel or the Forest Essentials aloe vera gel. So personally, this is like this for me, not my go-to. I have tried once or twice. Maybe I will not repurchase it anymore for now. It is Minimalist Vitamin C Face Serum, and this is not my type. I have used like for 3 months, and after that I realized that it is giving me kind of breakout. It is not suitable for my skin type. I cannot blame the product. Not all product is suitable for all people. It is not like that, so I cannot blame the product. So for now I have stopped using this one. Also, I have stopped purchasing this one. Next is Vitamin K Retinol Under Eye Cream from Minimalist, and I have used this one for 5-6 months. Then I had to stop using because I don't know why. I used to get kind of weird patchiness in under eye areas after using it, so not purchasing anymore. This is a Hyphen lip balm, which I generally love. I have all the lip balms Hyphen has, I think, like the whole range. I try their every lip balm. I did not like their marshmallow lip balm. I don't know why. I find it very patchy, and it is not easy to work with. Like, you will not be able to understand here from the swatch, but I don't know why I found it very patchy, particularly this marshmallow one I'm telling about. I have like all the lip balms from this range, but particularly from this range I have experienced this marshmallow one has a kind of patchiness while applying, so I don't like it. So maybe I will not be repurchasing this shade anymore for now. Might be trying afterwards. So that's it. I have linked all the products down there in the description, so you can check them out if you want to. Also tell me which one is your favorite from the whole thing I have showed you. My favorites, I have already told you which one, and which one I am not going to buying anymore for now or whatever. So I will see you on my next vlog. Till then, bye.